Well, hey, folks, how y'all doing? And oh, man, Pork Chop Wednesday. Folks, we're going to do, I get questions all the time. How can you do a really simple, real simple breaded pork chops? And folks, on the air fryer, and I got some shake and bake, I'm going to show you the simplest way to make just some delicious, delicious breaded pork chops on an air fryer. All right, there's our four pork chops. I got 4 nice center cut pork chops. Folks, all I'm going to do is wash these. I'm going to wash them, and then I'm going to stack them, and I'm going to bread them. It's just wash, stack, bread. That simple. All right, so the first 2 steps are done. That's wash and stack, and that helps to keep them wet. I'm just using water as a binder. There's no oil, there's no egg. I might spray just a little bit of olive oil on the outside to help brown them out because these are pretty lean, but you're just going to want to put that down. I know, shake and bake. We're not going to shake it. We're just going to get it coated. I love this seasoned stuff. Look how nice that works. That's just water. Super simple. And I like, for some odd reason, I like to go twice. Make sure I get everything nice and breaded there so we can have some good old breaded pork chops in the air fryer. I'll get the other 3 done, give you a look-see. So easy to do, even I can do it. Folks, what are you waiting on? So just spray a little oil, some of this extra virgin olive oil cooking spray. This is one of those non-aerosol things. And then into the air fryer we're going to go. Start it up. See, it's set for 350. It defaults to that. I want to go to time temp. I'm going to adjust this. Folks, 99% of what I cook on the air fryer is always on high. And then for the temp, bump it up to 20. We're going to take a look at 10 minutes. See you at 10 minutes. And like that, 10 minutes. Let's take a quick look, shall we? Starting to brown up a little bit more. We're going to go just a couple more minutes, and then we're going to give them a flip. All right, 2 more minutes. Let's take a quick look. Oh, yeah. Those are ready. So we're going to turn them, and then we'll give you another look-see. All right, just turned them. You can see what I like to do. I like to kind of lay them on the sides there. And it just helps to get the air circulation better. We'll put it in, go for the additional 8 minutes, and she'll be done. Give you another look-see. All right, they're all done. Oh, man. Let's get them plated up. Give you a look-see. All right, folks. Oh, man, I just want to tear into these. But I'm going to cut a little piece off there just for you. Obviously, they are done. Look at that. The breading is, and obviously it's nice and moist on the inside, hence the steam coming out. That's just, folks, I'm going to spur you, and I won't be chewing on this, but this is super simple to do, folks. If I can do it, you can do it. I've said that before. This is the easiest way to bread pork chops. Look at that. I did it on an air fryer. There was nothing fancy there. I used something simple. I used shake and bake, and I didn't even shake it. Well, all we did was put it on a plate and bread it. So simple to do, folks. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you try it. Tom Horseman on YouTube. And as always, I can't say it enough. I really do appreciate you watching. Thank you.